What's going on, YouTube? Finally, after 6 months of having this thing, I'll finally do an introduction video on my Tahoe. Let's get to it. There it is. We're calling it Terry after a famous video I'm sure many of you have seen. But yep, it's an 03 Chevy Tahoe. It's a Z71, obviously white. It's got the 5.3 V8 in it. Nothing too extravagant. It's in okay shape for Ohio. Nothing too crazy. Nice leather for how old it is. Heated captain's chairs. AC works just fine. Not too shabby. Did a little bit of work to it already, as some of you know. There's going to be videos on that stuff. But wasn't planning on buying a vehicle. But, you know, life happens. Nice roomy back here. Got a bunch of stuff. It's higher mileage. I got a good price on it. And it was local. But yeah, nothing special. Gonna have I already have some videos made for it. Some work we did. There's gonna be plenty more, like the Jeep and the Blazer that I never got to do. I'm planning on going camping in this thing too. Yeah. So stick around for more of those in the future. Welcome Terry to the channel, and as I end all my videos, stay crazy and have a good one, people.